Mira. So I'm going to go ahead and go through your homework. Let's start with number 3. Looks like you are spot on. I'm just missing the malignant neoplasm of the unspecified testes, which looks like you have a history code. Your procedure code looks good. Let's go on to number 5. This has been a big issue with a lot of students with the B20 with the AIDS. The histoplasmosis is stated as the current problem and it's related to AIDS. So whenever AIDS is related to another diagnosis, it is listed first. Another example, if a patient had pneumonia and the pneumonia was related to the AIDS that got admitted, the pneumonia code or the AIDS code would be listed first with pneumonia secondary. Now, let's say a patient got admitted because they broke their tibia fibula. That didn't have anything to do with the AIDS, so an S code for the fracture would be listed first, and then you would have the B20 code listed second. So just remember that just off in your sequencing there, but everything else looks great. Number 7, nice job with all the poisoning codes listed first, exactly right on. It looks like your R code here should be respiratory failure, which is a J code. Looks like this is a sign or symptom code. Procedure codes look great. 9, excellent job. 11, great job on the sequencing again. Off a little bit here, just double check that I code. And let's see here, you need the T code for the adverse effect of the oral contraceptives with number 11. You have a Z code, so just double check that and let me know. Don't worry about the radiology x-ray codes. You don't need those. Those are non-invasive. I always tell students, usually the charge master picks those up. So with this one, we have poisoning for 13, T43, 3X, T39311A. I'm fine the way you have them sequenced. That's not a big deal. The F10 code, you don't need the Z code, but that's fine. The H code you don't need either. Number 15. Actually did a nice job on this one. Very good job. So let's go to chapter 21. Looks like you are rocking this unit. TH6. Okay, everything looks good here. Just looks like a couple extra Z codes, which again, I guess maybe I'll go back and just check to see what they're all about. D62, you're really doing a nice job. Okay, with these M codes, all right, I do tell students that whenever you're dealing with an infection, a loosening, it's going to be a T code. So with that M code, usually isn't going to happen. So double check that. It looks like here for number 3, you have quite a few codes. Great job on the procedure codes. And number 4 looks good. 5, J52 should be first with the malignant neoplasm secondary because they were the principal diagnosis because that is the condition that necessitated admission. Actually, you did a nice job on this unit. Let me know, review the answers. I'll give you the answers to the whole unit. Do as many as you would like. That's going to help you out. Good job, and I will, this will be also added to the bottom of the assignment.